Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove third-party app access to your Google account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you can see I'm on google.com on my iPhone, but you can do this on any web browser on any device. Let's just open up google.com and make sure you're logged into the correct Google or Gmail account and tap on it at the very top right. Now from here, we need to get to manage your account. You can see it brings you to this page, but you can also just choose to go directly to myaccount.google.com. It brings you to the exact same place. Now from here, let's find all of those third-party apps by tapping on data and privacy. And you'll be able to see it says all of the data on your phone that are linked in to Google. You can see your web and app activity, timeline, YouTube history. However, we don't necessarily want that. If you scroll down, personalize ads, all of that stuff, search personalization, but just keep scrolling down. Now, you'll be able to see data from apps and services that you use. These are third-party services, third-party websites, third-party apps that you have linked with your Google or Gmail account. We'll be able to get to those by tapping on third-party apps and services. And now, if we wanted to remove any of these and basically remove the access, we can just tap on it. And it says Ness has some access to your Google or Gmail account. I can hit delete all connections. Keep in mind, when you do delete all of the data and the connection, it sometimes breaks the functionality of that specific service. So make sure you're okay with that and just hit the confirm button if you are, and you'll be good to go. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.